Hello guys, welcome back to our challenge. So in our today video, we will be providing you the information about how you can claim your skill batches to get more arcade point. And you know, the two skill batches are equivalent to one arcade point. So it an important information. Please share this information to your friend circle whosoever is participating in the arcade program. Let's get started. Just click on the start module button. So you will get this link. Just click on this link. Now here you can see that I have completed 60% of this skill batch. Just 2 lab ahead from getting the skill batch. So you according to different skill batch you will get this status. After completing these two skill batches, I will get this course batch. So in this way you will be able to complete this skill batch. Go back to the Google Cloud Skill Boost profile. From here, click on this, and from here you will be get 4 different skill batches from here. But if there is a greed of you to get more arcade point by skill batches, you can go to the arcade official website. The link will be provided in the description, and then go to the scroll it down, and from here you can see that you can get different skill batches from these. Now from here you can see that after completing these 4 skill batches and these 4 also, you add up to 8, and after completing these 2 also you add up the 10 skill batches. That is equivalent to 5 arcade point, as 2 skill batches are equivalent to 1 point. So in this way you can easily get the 5 arcade point. And the most important and exciting information about this, once you click on these skill batches, you will be able to see that you have completed some of the about 50 to 60% or even 80% of these labs. For now I am unable to see, but you will be able to see when you complete the different levels. Let's suppose we click on the mitigate threat and vulnerability with the security command center skill batch of the level 2 pro. Now what I am saying that you can see there are I have completed the 60% of lab by the in the level 2. So in this way you will be able to see your progress in the skill batches. And it is important to complete this the remaining labs to acquire the skill batch. And here is an important information for you. Now previously I have showed this skill batch where we doesn't able to get my progress. If you click on the lab, or I will go to the arcade and open this build and deploy machine learning solution on the Vertex AI to open the new skill batch. Now if you here you is in the sidebar, you will be unable to see your progress. You just click on it, click on any lab, just click on the start lab button, and your lab will get started. Now it is important information. Please open your eyes. and now you can complete this lab. For now I will not complete this lab. I will just end this lab. Just click on the add lab button and cancel it out from here, and you will see that still I am not able to see the progress of my in this skill batch. Just refresh this page now, but now you is able to see that I have completed the 60% of skill batch. So in this way you can check your progress in the different skill batches given in the levels. So in short, I will repeat the whole summary of this video, that you can earn skill badges from the levels from here, or you can go to the arcade official website and claim these skill badges. Or how to check the progress, you can go click on this link and then just start. In the initial you will not able to get any progress of your lab, but after you start any of the lab and complete the lab, even you need not to complete that lab, just end this lab and you then you refresh the page, you will get the progress in the skill batch that I have seen. So I have given you the demo how initially I was not able to see the progress in this skill batch, but then I start the lab and end the lab and refresh this page, and I will get that I have completed the 60% of this skill batch and the remaining 40% I have to complete, and then I can get the skill batch. So in this way you can earn the skill badge. If you have any additional doubt, you can comment to this video, or you can like the video and subscribe, share the video to those whosoever is participating in the arcade program. Subscribe to our channel. We have to complete 1k subscriber in just 2 months. Provide some love and support to our channel. For now, thanks for watching. Have a good day.